How to remove connected apps from Facebook. In this video, I'll show you how to find all the posts and pages you've liked on Facebook using your phone. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone device. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Your Activity section and tap on Activity Log. This section keeps a record of your activity on Facebook. Next, tap on Apps and Websites. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps and websites currently connected to your Facebook account. Select the app or website that you'd like to remove, then tap Remove. Since I don't have any apps connected, I don't have to remove anything. When the confirmation message appears, tap Remove again to confirm your choice. Once removed, the selected app or website will no longer have access to your Facebook account or any permissions you previously granted. That's it! You've successfully removed connected apps and websites from your Facebook account. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.